Hello everyone, Katarina here. Welcome to my YouTube channel and blog. It's been a while since I last time uploaded anything here on YouTube. I'm not the best YouTuber. I do not film a video for every card I make, but by now I would usually have 3 or 4 videos uploaded, or at least on my blog. On my blog I'm sort of consistent and I did not upload there anything either. But things happened, nothing bad, but I wasn't able to do any crafting, and I knew this. I knew I wouldn't be able to do anything at the beginning of the year, but I thought starting May, June I will be able to start crafting again and make videos and blog posts, and I would have 1 or 2 videos uploaded by now. Obviously that did not happen, so I thought I make at least this update video for those of you who are subscribed to my channel or follow me on my blog or Instagram, which I'm very thankful for, and just tell you what I was doing, why I wasn't posting anything, what I'm doing now, and what are my future plans. So what happened? Well, I moved, and I did not move within a city. I moved countries. If you didn't know, I lived in Ireland. I lived there for about 7 years, and me and my boyfriend decided that the time has come to say goodbye to Ireland and move back to mainland Europe. So right after Christmas, the packing started. I had to do a huge declutter, including some crafty things. I did not get rid of too much, mainly cardstock that I wasn't using and some stamps. And on top of everything, I was also ill pretty much the whole February. And it's not really fun to be moving within the same town. And if you add to it moving from an island to mainland Europe and being ill for a whole month, it's definitely not fun. My boyfriend had to deal with all the stress and most of the moving, and I'm really thankful for that. But we managed to move. We moved mid-March, and there was no holidays after moving. We had to do all the unpacking and then also deal with all the formalities that come with the move. So that definitely wasn't fun either. And what am I doing now? Well, I'm traveling. Me and my boyfriend, we bought a motorhome and are traveling around Scandinavia. This trip was actually what led to us moving from Ireland. And since we did not like living in Ireland anyway, this was definitely not a difficult decision. The official start of our trip was on 29th of April, and today, when I'm filming this video, is exactly 2 months since we started this trip. We are currently in northern Sweden, and today we crossed the Arctic Circle, and the plan is to go also to Norway and maybe even to Finland. I will show you a few clips from this trip at the end of this video if you are interested. I do have a travel blog. It's on the same website as my card making blog. I also have a travel YouTube channel. I haven't been updating those for a long time, well, until now, and I still am not really consistent. If you want to follow me on this trip, I would really recommend my travel Instagram, where I post on daily basis. I also post on Instagram stories. I will leave all the links to my Instagram, to my blog in the description below this video. And if you are watching this on my blog, you're already there. So once this video is over, just pop to the homepage and click on the traveling section. Anyways, what does it all mean for this crafting YouTube channel and blog? Well, first of all, card making is always going to be my main hobby. If not always, then for sure for a very long time. I still did not get sick of card making, so I'm definitely not going anywhere. But card making is currently taking sort of like break or holidays, simply because the travel YouTube channel and my blog are keeping me very busy right now. I am a little bit disorganized, I must say. I like to do everything in at once. I like to edit my photos, write my blog posts, edit my video, then upload it to YouTube and to my blog, and then release everything at once. And currently I cannot do that. My blog post is somewhere else than my YouTube. Also my Instagram is somewhere else, and it just confuses me and makes me very disorganized. I just need to work on my workflow and get somewhat organized. And once I get that sorted, I hope I will be able to start crafting again and making videos and blog posts as well. And I think making this update video is really helping me to get a little bit closer to that. As I said at the beginning, I thought I will have 1 or 2 videos uploaded by now, so I do have few ideas what I want to do. Before I started this trip, I did some shopping and I bought a few crafted things which I want to share with you. I also want to show you what I took, what crafted things I took on this trip. And then before I left Ireland, or actually I sold my crafting desk right after Christmas, and before that I filmed my craft room, and I want to just edit it together and put voiceover over that, and I will be able to show you also my craft room from Ireland. And last thing I want to do is a series, but I was thinking about this series for about 2 years, so probably I might start with just blog posts and maybe then I will add videos. But the series is about starting card making, and I want to do it based on myself. I started about 5 years ago in Ireland, and I started with literally nothing. Maybe I had like a few supplies like a ruler, some pencils and scissors, but except of that I did not have any supplies. I did not even have any specific talents. I'm not saying I have any specific talents right now, but I definitely did not have anything connected to paper crafting. I never did anything related to paper crafting before, so I thought it's maybe a good idea to share how I started, how I developed, also talking a little bit about my YouTube channel, how I started that, and my blog as well. Not sure if it is a good idea, but this is something what I wanted to do for a very long time. And what about card videos? Well, right now it is a little bit difficult. I started a YouTube channel after I had a specific crafting area, just a desk where I only craft. Obviously I don't have that right now. So I don't think I will be able to make full videos from start to finish. So what I was thinking is I will make coloring videos, like coloring a part of a card in a time lapse. And because these are usually short videos, I will first post them on my crafting YouTube. And when I have enough footage, like for 5 minutes at least, I will put them together and post them on YouTube as well. So these are my plans, or more like ideas for the future. And now you know why I wasn't posting anything on this YouTube channel and blog. The next video will be the one with crafty things I purchased before this trip. I hope I will be uploading it about 2 weeks after this video is out. I also will work on card making videos. So wish me luck with that. If you want to follow me on this trip, I will leave all the links to my travel blog and to my Instagram in the description below, as well as on my blog. I will play a few clips from this trip now. It's about 1 or 2 minutes long. And it's good that it's the end of this video because it's getting really chilly. So thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and I hopefully will see you soon.